At first glance, white gold and platinum look indistinguishable, but there's really a huge difference that comes down to cost, durability, and ultimately how the metal ages. Hi, I'm Andrew. I'm a GIA-educated diamond professional and founder of a custom jewelry company called Wove. Today we're going to discuss these metals and things that you should consider when designing and buying your engagement ring and wedding bands. White gold is an alloy, so it's mixed with yellow gold with a certain amount of other metals that give it that white appearance, plus a rhodium plating. One of the downsides to white gold is the maintenance. Every couple of years, you'll have to get your white gold ring repolished and replated to give it that white look. Otherwise, it'll start to look yellow over time. Yellow gold is oftentimes viewed as the timeless, classic metal utilized in jewelry. The most common forms of yellow gold are 14 and 18 karat gold. 18 karat will be a little bit more expensive, a little bit yellower, and it has a higher concentration of gold in that alloy than 14 karat. 14 karat is a little bit harder. It's also a little bit less expensive and is very popular in jewelry as well. Rose gold is actually an alloy made from yellow gold, copper, and sometimes even silver. It gives it a rosy red color that is rising in popularity. A lot of couples love this look because it gives their ring an heirloom feel. Did you know that 9 to 10% of women actually have a gold allergy? Platinum is a hypoallergenic metal, meaning that it won't bother your skin even when you're wearing your ring 24 hours a day. Platinum is one of the most popular metals utilized in jewelry, and it's actually my favorite type of metal to use. Platinum is a fantastic metal for holding lots of small diamonds all at once. It almost operates like rubber, so that if the metal gets bumped, it'll bounce back and continue to hold the stone. It doesn't require replating, and occasionally will only need to be polished lightly. Platinum is also naturally white, and it enhances the color of the stones utilized in the ring. Yellow and rose gold will oftentimes reflect through the diamonds, whereas white gold and platinum will be naturally white and will enhance that white, brilliant color of the stones as well as the metal. Ultimately, cost is a major factor for anyone buying an engagement ring. When you look at the price tag of platinum versus white gold, for instance, you'll notice that platinum is probably a few $100s more expensive than the white gold. So is it worth it? I think it absolutely is. Platinum is a white, crisp, precious metal that requires very little maintenance over the lifetime of the ring. It also does a fantastic job of holding small diamonds in place, so that if you bump the ring or as the ring ages, it will continue to hold those micro pave diamonds as well as your center stone brilliantly. It's a metal that's also hyperallergenic, so you know it won't bother your skin while you wear the ring, even 24 hours a day. While it may be a few $100s more expensive, I think platinum is absolutely a worthy investment for your engagement ring. There's really no right answer when choosing a metal for your engagement ring. At Wove, we match with your own personalized designer that understands your preferences and ring style so that they can make recommendations based on budget, style, and overall lifestyle. If you're interested in getting matched with your own Wove designer, you can visit our website at wovemade.com and schedule a consultation with a designer today. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments section below and we'll get to them in our next video. Have a great day. Bye.